Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel Monica AI subscription. So guys, basically you have two options to cancel subscription. The first option, or cancel on the dashboard. As you can see, this is my dashboard, and all you have to do, guys, go to this subscription. This is the dashboard, guys, as you can see here. And what you have to do, go to this icon, setting, and from setting go to you have two options. From here you find cancel option. If you have a premium or a premium membership. In my case, guys, I don't have premium. So guys, if you have premium, you find this from option cancel subscription, and or you have this option from here, cancel subscription. As I say, from here you find cancel subscription. Or method two, guys, all you have to do, from here click contact us, and from contact us write your problems. From here write your cancel subscription. From here write subject, for example, cancel subscription, guys, as you can see here, subscription. And from here write your reason you want to cancel subscription, and from here write your email address and complete these steps. This is how you can do, guys, to cancel your Monica subscription. I hope this video helpful for you, and don't forget, give like, share this video for more content, and any question down below in the comment, and I will answer your question as soon as possible. And you can contact this email, guys, support Monica, contact Monica.